Data has become the foundation in which everyone worldwide makes decisions. After all, there's no shortage of data being produced, whether it's apps and services, devices and IoT, downloads, conversations, or telemetry data. But having the data is just the beginning. It's then sorted, arranged, and presented. Only then do stories and strategies emerge. Microsoft Power BI helps you tell those stories. It starts by connecting to hundreds of data sources and systems, both structured and unstructured. Built-in intelligence models the information, leading to beautiful, easy-to-read interactive reports that lead to easy-to-understand insights. Those insights emerge and flow smoothly and naturally, whether in the office, the boardroom, or from your fingertips. Confidence in governance and security lead to sharing and reacting in real time, so that scaling beyond your limits can lead to new strategies in the market. Whether you're an employee of 1 or 100,000, it's data leading to decisions, leading to action, leading to innovation. Microsoft Power BI. Bridge the gap between data and decisions. Find out how at microsoft.powerbi.com.